This is the galette we made. This is before it goes into the oven. So we have some apple, some raspberries, and those are granny apples right there underneath all that good stuff. And then it pops out of the oven. It's a little hot, so you gotta wait a little bit. But look at that, looking good. It's even better when you have some coffee with it, or you can throw some ice cream on it and just dab in some excess juices. And there it is, ready to get cut. Crispy, delicious, very easy to make. Oh man, looking good. The galette.